Here's what you need to know about wedding insurance. After a year and a half of careful wedding planning, Sally Niebuhr was ready to watch her oldest daughter, Kiki LaCroix, walk down the aisle at a winery in Sonoma, California, in October. But Mother Nature had other plans. When the Kincade fire struck the area a few days before the wedding was scheduled to take place, causing widespread evacuations, their dreams of a wine country wedding were crushed. The good news? Niebuhr had bought a wedding insurance policy for $350 from Travelers Insurance that provided $7,500 of cancellation coverage. She was refunded the $6,500 deposit she paid for the venue. The money was then used to book another place in San Francisco on October 26, the original wedding date, and just 3 days after the wildfires hit Sonoma. Luck was definitely on our side that weekend, said Niebuhr, 58, a general contractor from Basalt, Colorado. All of our vendors, our DJ, our photographer, our florist, our caterer, were able to pivot and provided their services in San Francisco. And the Westin St. Francis Hotel, where we held the reception, had a ballroom that was available and plenty of open rooms for our out-of-town guests. Wedding insurance, also called event insurance, can shield people from financial loss that could result from a number of setbacks, such as severe weather, property damage and vendor problems. In America, wedding insurance didn't really gain steam until the 1990s, said Robert Hunter, the director of insurance at the nonprofit Consumer Federation of America in Washington. I used to tell people not to buy it, but it has become a much more mature product over time, and now I recommend purchasing it to many people. Here's what you need to know to determine if you need a policy. What does wedding insurance cover? There are 2 types, liability insurance and cancellation insurance. Liability insurance covers property damage to the wedding site and bodily injuries to attendees. If one of your guests slips and falls on the dance floor, liability insurance will cover their medical bills up to the limit specified on your policy, said Drew Purcell, the business development leader at Progressive Insurance, which is based in Mayfield Village, Ohio. The most common wedding insurance we sell, by far, is general liability. Cancellation insurance provides reimbursement for the deposits made to vendors, i.e., your event space, caterer, band, photographer, florist, if you're forced to cancel or postpone a wedding because of extreme weather, unexpected illness to the bride or groom, or an immediate family member, military deployment, or other reasons beyond your control. Wedding cancellation insurance can also include special provisions that will reimburse the insured up to a specified limit for loss or damage of attire, jewelry, deposits, cake or gifts. For more on this story, visit the news article link.